Hello, today we're going to be making putty and discussing our role as an adult when we are doing a task like this in a nursery or primary school. So, all we're going to need is two ingredients today, and this makes a really soft putty, almost like a softer Play Doh type of texture. And we're going to talk about some ways that we could use this in a classroom environment. And so, you need 100 grams of corn flour, and you need 50 grams of conditioner. Now, I just picked up whatever I had in the house, and this smells really nice. And these are all aspects that we can be talking about with children when we're doing this. So, once you've got your two ingredients in the bowl, you just need your hands to now work it together. You can choose any colour as well, of food colouring to colour your putty. But you want to mix it all together first. If you need to add a bit more conditioner, then obviously you can do that. Just depends on the type of conditioner, I suppose, that you're using. And the reason why we're talking about this today is we're looking at play and technology. And for this type of technology that we're talking about, we're looking at scientific experiments that we can discuss with our young people. So we're looking at materials and finding out what properties they have. And we can explore different things like the smells, the feeling of these things, similarities and differences between materials. So how it looks like powder to start with, then it all joins together, all combines together, and we can't get it to go back to its original powdery shape. We also want to talk about things like whether they are magnetic or not, transparency, and learn to recognise the types of material. So you could be looking at metal, wood, plastic, wool, glass, and we could discuss about all the different uses that these materials could have. So now is the fun part, where you have to combine all of your mixture together. And you can see it's not like the same consistency as our Play-Doh was. It is a bit softer, and it's a bit squeegier to work with, a bit sticky to start with as well. So just persevere with it. And some tasks that we could do with this, I've seen online and things when I was researching about it, where nurseries put where you could put the little letters inside it, like the Scrabble letters, and children can find these little letters inside their slime or their putty and see if they could come up with a word. Or it could just be simple construction of letters, like shaping it out into, say, different words. You could use cutters and things to help you do that. As well as learning these fine motor skills when we're squeezing and squishing, twisting and stretching it. Some other materials and equipment which could encourage this scientific play include using water or sand, clay, paint, construction sets, and even everyday objects like clocks or cameras, locks and keys, bikes. We could all have scientific play conversations with our young people, and there's what it should look like. It's important as an adult we've got an idea of whatever our scientific experiment is, so that we can answer any children's questions and make it as knowledgeable and fun as possible throughout our lesson. Also giving our children some freedom and time to be creative themselves as well. And there you have it, your stringy putty.